Miss Lou. My name's Kate. I'm going to be your nurse today.
How are you?
Good. How are you feeling?
I feel
I'm
good.
gonna pull the curtain. Okay, so I'm just going to check your temperature, your blood pressure, and just all of your vitals really quickly, okay?
Sounds good.
I'm going to pump it up to 180 and then hear her blood pressure from there. Hold on. Okay, 112/68. Is that a normal blood pressure for you?
Yeah, that seems pretty good.
Okay, I'm just gonna document that with my pen. Okay, and then now I'm gonna check your temperature. 97.8. Okay, good. And now I'm going to check your pulse. I'm going to count for 30 seconds. Okay, 30, so your pulse is 60. Okay, now I'm just going to, well, I don't have a finger probe, but I'm going to pretend I have a finger probe and check your oxygen while I count your respirations for 30. Okay, your respirations are 16 and your oxygen level is 99%. Are you having any pain right now?
I'm not.
No? Okay. Alright. That's it for that one. Hi Lou, how are you doing?
Great, thanks. How about you?
Good. I just gotta ask you some nutritional questions, okay?
Sure.
Have your intake of food declined over the last 3 months? Loss of appetite or digestive problems?
No.
No? Okay. Weight loss during the last 3 months?
No.
Mobility, how active are you?
I consider myself on the active side.
Okay. Have you had any stress or acute disease in the last 3 months?
I have not.
And then have you had any neuropsychological problems like dementia or depression or anything like that?
No.
No? Okay. And then what is your weight?
135.
And how tall are you?
5'9".
Okay, so your BMI is less than 18. That's good. And then I think that's it. That's it. Hi Lou, how are you doing?
Great, thank you.
Good. I'm just gonna sanitize my hands. Can you verify your name and date of birth for me?
Lou Ann Halligan, 11/17/1964.
Okay, and how old are you?
55. 56, sorry. 55.
And what's your occupation?
I'm a dental hygienist.
Okay. And then her gender is female, level of conscience. Who's the president right now?
Donald Trump,
What year is it?
2020.
When was the last election year?
4 years ago. So 200 2016.
Okay, ANO times 4, I guess. Skin color is white. Can you smile for me? Stick out your tongue. Put out your arms. Squeeze. Okay. Hold. Push up. Push down. Okay. All right. Have you had any depression or anything like that recently?
I have not.
No. Your nutrition is okay?
Yes.
Okay. And then I'm just going to check your range of motion. Does it hurt when I go like this or anything?
It does not.
No? What about this?
No.
Any trouble sleeping at night?
Nope.
Okay, good. All right. And then I'm going to check your blood pressure and your other vital signs.
All right.
What's a normal blood pressure for you?
About 110/70.
And you said you're pretty active?
Yes.
Okay, 112/70.
All right.
And then, how tall are you?
5'9".
Okay. And then how tall are you? Or how much do you weigh?
135 pounds.
Okay, and I'm just going to check your temperature. Beep, beep. Okay, 98.1. That's good. Alright, I'm just going to check your pulse. Okay, 66. All right, and then I'm just gonna count your respirations. What are you up to today?
Oh, just got off of work early and gonna go to yoga.
Oh, fun. Okay, respiration 16. All right, do you have any questions for me today?
No, I think everything seems good.
Okay, I'm gonna go let the doctor know what your vitals and everything are, and we'll be back with you in a little bit, okay?
All right, thank you.
Thank you.